Are new construction properties the future of real estate investing? Let's talk about why they might be your next smart move. I'm going to share the top reasons why new builds can outperform older homes. Number one, minimal repairs. When you're buying brand new construction, there's multiple ways to do it. There are, in certain marketplaces, certainly in Southern California, where they tore down an old house, built a brand new home. There are areas where they build a tract of homes, and you're buying one of those homes within a tract. And there are cases when you're buying with a builder who's going to build your home, or you're going to buy a piece of land or an old house and tear it down and build yourself. There's a lot of different ways of investing in new construction. But what are those benefits of buying new construction? And one is obviously minimal repairs. When you're walking into a new construction home, your features of that home should last you quite a long time without problems. Now, don't expect to buy a brand new home and not have any problems, because they do. I'll tell you, I've been in 3 of them so far in my lifetime. Number 2 is they're energy efficient, which means they're good for the environment. Of course, there's cost savings when you have energy efficiency. Number 3 is there's high demand. So if for some reason you decide that you need to sell your home for any reason, there's always a high demand for newer housing that is built beautifully. Number 4 is customization for your return on your investment, right? There may be things that you want to invest in the property and upgrade the home as you are finishing out the construction. And some of these can produce excellent returns because there's such high demand. For example, if you have a large backyard and you decide to put in a swimming pool and spend $200,000 on a pool, it's not unheard of that someone could pay you $300,000 or $400,000 more for that home, walking into the perfect pool and outdoor kitchen. And so therefore your return on investment has provided you with a great return. And number 5, when buying a new home, you're very likely meeting current trends. And trends change fast. But at least while you're there for the next 5 years or 10 years, maybe 15 years, you're matching the recent trends, which again is going to increase the demand for a home like yours and increase the likely value of that property. So getting involved in new construction, investing in new construction can provide you high returns, better value for your home, something to keep in mind no matter whether you're buying a ready-built home, you're customizing one yourself, or anywhere in between.